looking to expand our cap table and add a new investor, we were focused on three things. Did they have best-in-class SaaS experience? Did they have operating experience? And did they have a network that extended into healthcare, which is what our business is in? And we zeroed in on that third aspect, Fulcrum's network, right away, and they helped us connect with some of the most important hospital systems and care providers in the nation. There was a positive cultural transformation once Fulcrum became involved because they helped us see what the next step in our business growth was. It wasn't just us trying to get to product market fit or release this new marketing campaign. Instead it was, well, where do you want the business to be in 2 to 3 years? And how can we start there and work backwards? We worked with Fulcrum to prepare for our next round of financing, starting 1 or 2 years ahead of time. And that made it a very different and more positive experience than I expected. Because all the things that you'd think about scrambling around in order to prepare your business for the next chapter, we had been slowly weaving into our business based on the guidance that Fulcrum gave us months before. When we decided to partner with Fulcrum, we thought a lot about geography. We were lucky to have options all over the country in terms of our next funding partner. But we wanted to bet on Atlanta and bet on the Southeast, where Fulcrum is focused as well. And so when it came time to ask for help for recruiting, getting the best talent in the Southeast was a lot easier because we were side by side with Fulcrum. Entrepreneurs often have anxiety when they bring on a new capital partner. Will the relationship dynamic work? Will they be interested and helpful in the things that you need them to be helpful in? Or will they be in your knitting in places you don't want them to be helpful in? What I found as an entrepreneur early in my career is I needed a lot of help for best practices around software as a service optimization. And I got those best practices from Fulcrum, but I also got the freedom to innovate in the market segment that we were experts in. We added Fulcrum as an investor partner in the fall of 2019. In the spring of 2020, the world changed, and shortly thereafter, we were selected by Pfizer to be the digital platform that underpinned all of their COVID-19 studies and brought a new safe and effective vaccine to market on a global scale. I've had success in fundraising and not so much success in fundraising. And the thing that I've learned is that when you're ready, fundraising is easy. And if you're not ready, go do the work to get ready, because you can't fake it till you make it. When the business is ready, it becomes easy. And we were fortunate that we had done the work ahead of time so that when we got to interact with Fulcrum, the business was ready, we were ready to enter a partnership, we were ready to make headway together as a result. A lot of times, entrepreneurs will get advice about how to polish their pitch or how to fluff up numbers in one way or another, how to position against competitors. But ultimately, entrepreneurs need to do the work to build a good business before they take on that next round of funding. That's the only way to do it. Fulcrum's investment came at an important time for our business. We have a two-sided marketplace. We help both clinical trial sites as well as pharma companies that work with those trial sites. And at the time Fulcrum invested, we really only had repeatability and a lot of success in one half of that marketplace. And right away after the investment, we were able to put resources into doing the research, to doing the discovery, and doing the product building so that we could help both sides of the marketplace. And 18 months later, we were able to hit that objective.